Ever felt lost navigating the California state job application process? If you've ever felt overwhelmed by it, give this video a thumbs up. Stay tuned as we unveil what's coming up on SOQ Rick to guide you every step of the way. And stick around till the end for a game-changing tip on how to ace those Excel exams without spending a dime. Hey there, ready to get ahead in your job search? Join us and get ahead quick with SOQ Rick. Thanks for joining me today. I'm thrilled to kick off our journey together on SOQ Rick. I've been where you are, feeling overwhelmed with the complexities of the California state job application process. But that's exactly why I started this channel, to simplify things and offer guidance. In our upcoming videos, we'll be diving deep into crafting an impeccable statement of qualifications, the do's, don'ts, and insider tips to make your SOQ stand out, writing compelling cover letters, tailoring your letter to resonate with state job recruiters, Excel exams and writing exams preparation, step-by-step walkthroughs, sample questions, and strategies to ace them, staff services analyst exam preparation, everything you need to know to tackle this crucial exam confidently, interview preparation, from understanding the format to anticipating questions, will ensure you're fully prepared, navigating job benefits and understanding job classifications, demystifying the various state job roles and the perks they come with, answering common career questions, from job application nuances to making the most of your position, we've got you covered. And that's just the beginning. We have a lot in store, and I'm excited to share all the knowledge, tips, and tricks I've gathered over the years. Speaking of tips, I've got a special one for those of you facing a particular challenge in the interview process. I know many of you might be gearing up for interviews that include an Excel exam. And practicing beforehand is crucial. But what if you don't have access to Excel? Here's a bonus tip. You can actually get access to Excel for free. Microsoft offers a web version of Excel that you can use both for practice and during your exam. To access it, simply sign into office.com, select the Excel icon from the left menu, and you can start using Excel by selecting Blank Workbook from the templates on screen. If you need a direct link, I've got you covered. Check the description below. It's a game changer for those pre-interview jitters. Have specific questions or topics you'd like me to cover in future videos? Drop them in the comments below, and I'll do my best to address them in upcoming content. I'll see you in the next video.